guys, welcome back to ECO channel. Yeah, this 2020 Chevy Traverse have a loud exhaust noise or like a rumbling noise when it when it start or during acceleration. I believe an exhaust leak somewhere on the exhaust system. Yeah, let me start the car so you guys can hear it. Yeah, have something like a really loud exhaust noise. Do you see it? Have a smoke coming out. There might be one area. I think that might be it. It smoked like crazy. I probably fix this area first and then do like a soapy water test after that for the entire system to see where another leak. Alright, let's get to work. So I chuck both sides of the wheels. And then I'll put my forward jack in the middle of the car in the subframe. And then place the jack stand on where the jacking point at per side. Alright, it looks like this part is holding by two nuts, one here, one there. I'm going to get a wire wheel or wire brush to clean up the rust, but safety glasses first. Yeah, because like, the rust might be flying around. Well, at least I can see some thread. I think that's a good sign. Alright, let me do the same thing on another side. That nut right here. Alright, I think it looks clean. And then same thing on this side. I think that's the problem. Yeah, the gasket is totally loose, so this pipe have a separation. So I clean up as much as I can in this area. So here's all the crust. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is spray some penetrating oil. On both sides. And let it soak a little bit. Alright, this is like 13mm. Nope, it just snapped the whole bolt. On this side, I'm going to apply some heat. Alright, so I put the frame, yeah, make sure like the fire is not like hitting anything flammable. So that's why I point it this way, so all the heat should be around here, not like heating up the pipe here, heating the heat shield. Alright, so I hope, and then at 13, it works. Still feel some resistance. I'm going to heat up more. Ooh. I still feel a bit resistant. I'm going to have a little bit more. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, be careful. This thing's like hot. I'll probably wait until it cool off before I separate this pipe. But I need to get a new bowl for this one for sure. Alright, let's see. It's cool enough, so I'm go ahead and grab this whole pipe, push backward, and then it should separate. Alright, the gasket's out. Yeah, it snapped, and somehow this mating surface not flat. Is that some left? Oh yeah, this is some leftover gasket material. Okay, I'm gonna clean this and then go and buy a new gasket and a new bolt. And a new bolt there. Yeah, I'm gonna pound it out. Yeah, before work on this like exhaust mid pipe gasket replacement, I recommend get a new fastener from a local hardware store. This is like a 8mm diameter, and then like a 1.25 in the pitch, and then get a couple nuts and then a couple washer. When you see here, you have some like a corrosion going on, so I guess that might snap one day once like all the material got eaten up by the road salt or the yeah. Alright, so now on this side, highly recommend don't use a hammer to bang it, because like it will like bend this ear. So now I will use some heat. You can see that's a mistake. I tried to use a chisel, which is like not a good idea. So I will apply heat around this corner, and then this time I bought like a smooth attachment attached to the air hammer to hammer out to see will that work or not. Oh, before you use heat, make sure like you don't smell any like a gasoline, nothing flammable around the area. And when you point the frame, the fire, it's like try to just aim to the metal on the flange, exhaust flange, and not like hitting the heat shield, the resonator, or like those pipe. Yeah, because you don't want to damage it. A little bit more heat. Alright, try again. Alright, I think yeah, it's separated. Okay, so now I need to find a punch to gently pound it out. Alright, got it. Alright, here's a broken part of the exhaust stud. Well, probably not touch it now, it's pretty hot. Just put it aside. Alright. So yeah, the surface is pretty bent up. I think it's okay. Well, maybe I should do this side too. Just look at the thread, the stud. I apply heat around here and then use the same method. Alright, that might be hot enough. Ow. Alright. Maybe this time I hit it with a little bit like a wax. I grab it like an old crayon. Alright. When you grab the pipe, get a piece of rack. This is really hot. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright, so both of them out. Yeah, both of them out. Now I wait until the pipe is cool off before I clean up the surface. This surface and surface on this side with a wire wheel. Alright, that's the gasket I use. I believe that's the brand. That's the part number. Alright, it's warm to it's like cool to touch, which is good. I just want to do a quick measurement. Make sure okay, so the flange still straight, which is good. No wobble. So now I can clean up all the rust as much as I can. Alright, this side's good. Alright, now clean up the back of this one. Oh, before you do this, safety glasses. Yeah, like this piece. I believe that's the old gasket material. Alright, let's get a screwdriver. Yeah, it is. It looks like an old gasket material. Alright. I need to probably clean around more and then come back, and then sand it, and then wire wheel again. Yeah, this is a screwdriver to jam it, to hold this pipe in, put it aside so I can run a wire wheel. All the old gasket material's gone, and then a wire wheel a little bit more, so the surface pretty clean. So it's time to install the new gasket. Yeah, I don't think the gaskets have like a direction. There's it's equal length here, equal length here. It's a pretty symmetric. Alright, so the surface clean. Here's the new gasket. I start with the bolt and the washer. Alright, so now this end, the washer, and the new nut. Alright, so it's 13mm. Just make sure it's tight. I don't know what's the torque spec. All right, let me start the car and see if that fixes the exhaust leak. All right, let's spray some soapy water. All right, there's no bubble. No bubble here. All right, I think the repair is working. All right, I'm gonna make it I'm gonna make it fancy. I'm gonna chop it a little bit. So this is like a what's the length on this thing? It's about 5 centimeters. So it's what, 2 inch? I think you buy the one that has like an inch and a half. That will be enough. Yeah, so you don't have to cut it. Now I have to cut a little bit. I'll cut it right here, make it look nice. High safety glasses. All right, so I chop it off. Just a little bit thread left, maybe 4 or 5 thread left, and then like a rounding the edge. Same thing on another side. Alright, that's how I fixed this exhaust leak in the mid pipe of this 2020 Chevy Traverse. Please subscribe. Thank you for all the support. See you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.